Guys, in 2024, we introduced the world's first 3D Gaussian Splatting to Mesh algorithm. And last year, we shipped the 3D to Mesh 2.0, which drastically improved the mesh quality. Honestly, I don't know why, but it seems like we are still the only player out there that can do this today. But instead of waiting out the competitors to catch up, we are gonna keep swimming. Welcome to the era of 3D to Mesh 3.0. This new 3D to Mesh 3.0 comes down to one thing. We bring the mesh quality to a whole new level. Let me show you this. So there was a Humansized Gundam show like right across our office the other day. And by the moment that Chris finished this new version, he went out and tested on that. And here's the result. In the previous version, the shape was already there. It kind of worked. You can recognize it, but in 3.0, the difference is easy to see. The body of this figure comes out smoother, the larger surfaces feels less wobbly, and the overall shape, it reads much more cleanly. And here's the part that really surprised me. Look at the stanchions around the figure. Normally, the details this thin fall apart in video-based scans. But in the 3.0, they actually hold up. This is the point where 3D to Mesh becomes usable in your production workflow. Because you see, you're no longer fighting broken topology. You can just take the model straight into Blender or whatever you use, just start working. And to make things even better, the processing speed for the new 3D to Mesh is now 20% faster. Another pain point we kept hearing was 3D printing. So you scan the real object, you export a model and open it up in your slicer, and then only realize that the size is just wrong. So before you go do anything else, you would just have to go fix the scale issue somewhere else. So we added a handy feature that could make your life a little bit easier. That is the measuring and scaling tool in this new KIRI Engine update. And here's how it works. After your scan is done, tap Measure option. Just pick any 2 points and you'll get a distance. Now, to be transparent, that measurement is just an AI estimation based on your 3D scan. So it's not that accurate. But here's what you can do in this new KIRI Engine update. Now, there's a rescale option, where you can manually enter the real-world measurement between the 2 points and the model snaps to the correct size. Done. Now, is it fully automatic? I know it's not yet, but it already saved you a ton of time, right? And in the future update, we're working toward making this whole workflow fully seamless. Alright, that's KIRI Engine 4.2. I hope you like what we do, and I'll see you in the next one.